Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a chocolate chip cookie cake, and I got the recipe from this book I borrowed from the library called Bake It, Slice It, Eat It, and yeah, so apparently this is new as well, and so it doesn't have like a picture of what it looks like or anything, but this is what I'm making, a chocolate chip cookie cake. And as you can see, the measurements in here are like all in ounces and stuff. So if you are, ounces and grams. So if you don't have a scale, this cookbook would be kind of harder to use. Well, you wouldn't be able to use it. But yeah, so luckily I have a scale here at home, but I'm doing this recipe because it is technically my brother's birthday. Well, not now that we're more into March, but his birthday is leap day, which it wasn't a leap year this year. So yeah, this is mostly for my brother, but then also for me as well, because he really likes chocolate chip cookies. So I have all my ingredients here and everything. Let me put the book away. And the first thing I'm going to combine in here in my mixing bowl is my melted butter, and then both of my sugars, regular sugar, and then this is brown sugar. Let's see if I can get that in there. There we go. And I just have the paddle attachment in there right now. Now I'm going to add in 1 egg at a time. There's my first one, and I'm going to mix this together. Now this is what my mixture looks like, and it's a little bit fluffy. And now I'm going to be adding in my last ingredients, which is my flour, a pinch of salt, and my chocolate chips. But yeah, this is a pretty easy recipe. The only thing that sucks is just, having to specifically measure it like in the grams. I mean, this amount of flour is probably almost 2 cups. But yeah, you just have to get kind of specific with it. And then this is self-rising flour, which we never used before. We had to buy a bag to try it out, but I don't really know the difference, whatever. But yeah, I am just gonna be adding all of these in together as it's all mixing, and then I will have my dough formed. So here's the batter, and now I'm just going to spread it out in my pan. I'm also going to be pressing it down with my spatula. Willow definitely can't eat this. It has chocolate. This time when we're filming, she actually hasn't been super annoying, wanting to go outside and everything, because usually she does. And then I think the self-rising flour, I think maybe it's to be make it like a cake, because it's chocolate chip cookie cake, and maybe so it can rise. I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. Once I get this all flattened and nice and even, I'm going to put it in the oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna try and bake it for we'll take a look at it at 40 minutes and see how it looks. So this is the cookie cake out of the oven, and I mean, it's been cooling for a little bit, but I ended up baking it for 45 minutes. And then you don't have to do this part, but I'm going to anyway, is I'm gonna just kind of drizzle it on here. Some melted chocolate. It didn't melt a lot because I don't think I'll need too much, but yeah. They said if you even want to be fancier, you could put sea salt, but let's just add some more chocolate flavor. Now I'm ready to try it, and of course you can eat it hot or cold, but I'm gonna try it warm because the cookies are always the best warm. Go, just kind of cut a piece off. You can see nice melted chocolate inside. This is what the inside looks like more. You can see it's like nice and kind of spongy, so it is like a cake. It feels like a cake too. When I first took a bite out of it, kind of felt like one too. It's kind of like a brownie, but it's like chocolate chip. It tastes really good. And yeah, I would definitely make this again. It was pretty easy. I just pretty much mixed everything together and then baked it for a while. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.